Movie Bol Raja Bol is about Rishi Kapoor double role, and one of them is an evil guy, and he's eyeing the property, and that is the reason why he comes and replaces actually the original Rishi Kapoor. He fakes everything, but when you are not original, few things will come out on the surface which will actually unearth the secret about your fake status. So there was a person who used to serve him regularly, and he had a kind of idiosyncrasy, you can say, with sugar and this thing, because of which he was caught. And but later on, when they came to know, Kiran Kumar was also part of it. When they came to know that the person has already unearthed the secret, he was almost killed. And one of the servants also was, who had served for many years, he was also like thrown in the pool, and he didn't know swimming. So it's about Radha, whom Rishi Kapoor met in a village and fell in love. But Radha didn't actually believe in these city people, because one of her friends was left stranded by a man who had come down from the city, and he had promised that he will marry her, and she even got pregnant, and he never returned. Because of which Radha thought that all city people are fake people. So she kept her distance from him, but later on, because of his good nature and persistence, she thought that he is a genuine person, and they had actually thought of tying the knot after he comes back from the city. But after he reached the city, there were these things, and the fake one had actually taken over, so he was not able to return, and Radha thought that he is the same like his friends Biu. So all these confusions and all, but the original one, the Rishi Kapoor, he actually proved his point. He had to undergo a lot of struggle, arduous. The journey was very arduous, but somehow he was able to figure it out, and everyone believed him. But he had to actually bring about a few evidence which proved that he is the genuine one, and the fake one was, his attempts were thwarted and he was defeated. And the original Rishi Kapoor was there with his mom, Sushma Sheth, and then they went to the village, and Juhi Chawla got married to Rishi Kapoor. But one hilarious part about the movie is Kader Khan. He couldn't see anything post afternoon, so he used to become blind. And when he got married also, his wife asked him, should I switch off the light? And he said, it doesn't matter, because I am not able to. He didn't reveal the truth. So 5 stars.